He adored New York City. He idolized it, all out of proportion. No, make that he. He romanticized it all out of proportion. Better. To him, no matter what the season was, this was still a town that existed in black and white and pulsated to the great tunes of George Gershwin. No. Let me start this over. He was too romantic about Manhattan as he was about everything else. He thrived on the hustle, bustle of the crowds and the traffic. To him, New York meant beautiful women and street-smart guys who seemed to know all of the angles. Corny. Too corny for, my taste. Let me try and make it more profound. He adored New York City. To him, it was a metaphor for the decay of contemporary culture, the same lack of individual integrity that caused so many people to take the easy way out. It's rapidly turning the town of his dreams, and no, it's going to be too preachy. I mean, let's face it, I want to sell some books here. He adored New York City, although to him it was a metaphor for the decay of contemporary culture. How hard it was to exist in a society desensitized by drugs, loud music, television, crime, garbage. Too angry. I don't want to be angry. He was as tough and romantic as the city he loved. Behind his black rimmed glasses was the coiled sexual power of a jungle cat. Oh, I love this. New York was his town, and it always would be.
423 Union Square, Transcontinental.